Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just sharing an old toolbox that was a Machinists Toolbox. The gentleman that owned this was a German immigrant. He came to the United States in the 30s. Wanted a better life for himself and his future family that he hoped to have, and he did. And the only thing he knew was how to be a machinist. And a lot of it still got his tools in there, squares, got his calipers. There's a guide for a micrometer right there. And there it is right there. Some of his books. And all kind of shim measurements. Just a whole array of stuff. All of it's pretty much the way he left it. He retired, came to Cleveland, Ohio, and from what I understand, it must have been quite a few of them from the same area. Came to Cleveland. There was a butcher there and that he was friends with, and he kind of kept them in meat during the ration period of World War II. But this thing's still in very good shape, except for the handle. That thing's been toted many a day. But I was just amazed how good it looked. Thanks for stopping by. Come back and see me again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.